Alright, before we get into the process, let's be real for a second. Most people hear Bitcoin mining and immediately assume it's impossible to get into unless you have thousands of dollars worth of equipment, technical knowledge, and a full setup running somewhere 24/7. And honestly, that assumption makes sense. Traditional Bitcoin mining is expensive, complicated, and not exactly beginner-friendly. Between the hardware, electricity costs, configuration, and maintenance, most people lose interest before they even start. But recently, I started looking into a different approach. Instead of running physical equipment yourself, cloud mining lets you access remote computing power through an online platform. So rather than managing hardware, you're basically managing the process itself. No installations, no setup, no maintenance on your side. Now obviously, anything related to cloud mining comes with a lot of skepticism, and for good reason. There are plenty of platforms that overpromise and underdeliver. So instead of relying on opinions or random screenshots online, I decided to test the process myself and see how it actually works in practice. Step by step, start to finish. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the full Bitcoin cloud mining process, show you how the platform works, how the mining session runs, how withdrawals are handled, and what the final result actually looks like. So once you're inside Hash Cluster, the first step is choosing the asset. There are multiple options available, but for this example, I'm going with Bitcoin. Next step is selecting the plan. You'll see different speed options, each with its own fee. 1x speed, 8%. 2.5x, 9%. 6x, 10%. 14x, 11%. So higher speed means faster results, but also a higher fee. For my experience, the 6x option with a 10% fee is the most balanced. It's not the cheapest, but it gives a solid combination of speed and consistency. So I select that and hit start. Now one important thing, don't close the tab and don't switch away while it's running. If you interrupt it, the process can stop. Right after starting, if you scroll a bit lower, you'll see the live log section. This is where you can actually monitor what's happening in real time. Status updates, activity logs, and the performance of the equipment being used. So you're not just waiting blindly, you can see the process running. Now we wait. Usually it takes around 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, let's check the result. As you can see, we've reached around 0.02 BTC, which is roughly about 1500 USDT at the current rate. So I'm going to stop the process here. Next step is withdrawal. The platform asks for a wallet address. I'm using Trust Wallet, so I open it, go to Bitcoin, copy the receiving address, come back, paste it in, and continue. Now before the transfer is processed, there's a service fee for using the platform's infrastructure. In this case, with the plan we selected, it's around 10%, which comes out to roughly 150 USDT. You can either connect your wallet through WalletConnect or send it manually. I'll do it manually. I select USDT on TRC20, copy the address, then go into Trust Wallet, open USDT, hit send, paste the address, and enter the exact amount shown. Send. After that, I come back and confirm the transaction. Now we just wait for network confirmation. While that's processing, one thing worth mentioning, what matters here isn't just the result you see once, it's how consistent the process is over time. That's something you always want to pay attention to when testing platforms like this. Alright, let's check the wallet. Refreshing. And there it is. The BTC has been received. So that's the full process. No hardware, no setup, just a structured sequence of steps. If you're trying to understand how cloud mining works in practice, this should give you a clear picture. Take your time, go step by step, and see how it works for you. That's it.